What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have a package here sitting on the table to unbox. Track drones, it says. So we got a BB-8 robot. So let's check out this track drones first. Slides out there. So check it out. This looks like a folding drone, or maybe it comes apart or something. So this thing comes apart. It's modular. Looks like it goes in there like that. So pretty nice. This thing is a drone with a detachable arm. I don't know about this transmitter here. This transmitter looks kind of suspect. We have an extra set of props here. We have a battery, and we have a battery charger. It looks like it charges the power whoop connection. And that's exactly what it does. It looks like it. Okay, so there we go. We got lights on the top now. So that's pretty awesome. Let's turn this little guy off for now. Oh, we have an instructions manual actually. So that's what I was looking for, to see how the heck we're actually going to control it with this transmitter with no sticks on it. So gravity sensing unmanned aerial vehicle. Do some looking into it. Okay, to rise. This left button is to rise. This right button is to lower. It says decline on here though. This is the one key, takeoff and landing, and this is the power switch. And so I'm not sure if it has gravity power or whatever, gravity sensing in the transmitter. I'm guessing it does. I don't know how to turn. We're going to have to experiment with this thing. Anyway, let's toss this to the side and let's check out BB. So let's move this big coffee box out of here. BB lost his head. BB lost his head. So that's his head there. It has a magnet in there and it sticks on top like that. So check it out. It came with some batteries, some fake Panasonic batteries. It came with a little screwdriver. So let's open this up. Now let's see, BB probably has an internal battery. Wow, this thing is pretty substantial. It's heavy. His body. And so this sticks on top though. It doesn't stick on top when, okay, it probably sticks to a certain part at a given time. Check out the transmitter. There's a stormtrooper face for the button in the middle. I think that's the on and off switch. This thing, oh, there's an on and off switch on the back here. And so BB-8 stands up like that. And so we're definitely going to try to figure this thing out. Once I figure out exactly how this thing works, we're definitely going to do a running video with BB-8. And also we're going to check out this thing, the track drone. Thanks for watching.